Hi. Oil prices have rallied by almost 10% over the last 3 days. If you have noticed, you would have found that even the global stock markets have risen concomitantly. Now, the question is, has oil found a bottom at about $43 a barrel? Or, or are we seeing just a dead cat bounce in oil prices? I believe we have not yet found a bottom in oil prices. There is more downside yet to come in oil. What is the reason? The reason being that the current sudden spurt in oil prices is due to two main factors. One is there has been an immense short covering. Oil had been shortened quite dramatically in the futures market. Second reason being that United Steel workers had been on a strike at many of its refineries, as a result of which almost 1.6 million barrels of oil had disappeared from the demand side of oil. Now, this trend will not continue very long, so you will see oil begin to find its own level once again, and the downside will start all over. So, why did the oil price, which had been falling, suddenly turn around? Were there other factors than this? Well, one must not forget the fact that the IMF forecast for world growth has been showing that growth is falling dramatically all over. World economies are suffering quite dramatically. In such a scenario, it is difficult to see that oil demand will remain well supported. When the demand is falling and supply is going up, don't forget the great US shale gas discoveries. In this scenario, oil prices are definitely under tremendous pressure and they are going to head downwards. As the noted British economist John Maynard Keynes said, that the markets can remain illogical more than we can remain solvent. I think that the further downside in oil prices will just justify the statement of John Maynard Keynes, and the markets are going to be illogical for quite some time. You will see tremendous fall, and a little below $40, I believe, is the level at which oil should stabilize, after which we can see a spurt once again and a rally taking place accordingly. So place your bets accordingly and stay invested also in terms of how I believe oil is expected to play out in the short, medium, and long term as well. So take care. I believe this answers the question: where is oil? And you must have realized that a lot of global stock markets are also dependent very much these days on oil prices. So just as how you see oil is going expected to play out, you'll find that global stock markets are similarly headed. So have a nice day. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.